2 moons up there? Hold on. Earth's hiding Mars from view. Watch closely as it appears. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun and the Red Planet, has not one but 2 mysterious moons. Meet Phobos and Deimos. While they may be tiny compared to Earth's moon, these celestial siblings hold secrets that have fascinated scientists and space lovers for decades. Mars moons are very different from what we see orbiting Earth. Phobos and Deimos are much smaller than our moon and have irregular, uneven shapes. Here's what we know about them. Phobos, the larger moon. Size: Phobos is the larger of Mars' moons, though still much smaller than Earth's moon. It's only about 13.7 miles wide, which makes it more like a large asteroid than a full-fledged moon. Orbit: Phobos has an incredibly fast orbit, completing a full circle around Mars in just 7 hours and 39 minutes. As a result, Phobos appears to rise in the west and set in the east, which is the reverse of what we observe on Earth. Surface: Phobos has a rugged surface filled with craters. The most famous one is Stickney, a giant crater that's about 1/3 the size of the moon itself. Some scientists believe Phobos was once an asteroid that got too close to Mars and was pulled in by its gravity. Deimos, the smaller moon. Size: Deimos is much smaller than Phobos, measuring around 7.5 miles in diameter. It has a lumpy, irregular shape, resembling a space rock more than a typical moon. Orbit: Deimos takes its time orbiting Mars, taking about 30.3 hours to complete one orbit. Unlike Phobos, it's farther from the planet and moves much slower. Surface: Deimos' surface is much smoother than Phobos. While it does have craters, they are much less prominent, making the moon appear more polished and less rugged. In 1877, astronomer Asaph Hall discovered Mars' 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, Phobos, meaning fear, and Deimos, meaning dread. The names of Mars' moons, Phobos and Deimos, are directly tied to Greek mythological figures who were often depicted accompanying their father, Ares, or Mars in Roman mythology, into battle. Phobos and Deimos were the twin sons of Ares, the Greek god of war, which makes perfect sense. After all, Mars, the Roman god of war, shares their dominant history. These moons, named after the emotions stirred in the heat of battle, reflect their parent planet's powerful and menacing aura. Since Mars is associated with war, it's fitting that his moons were named after figures embodying fear and dread, emotions often stirred by the chaos of battle. Mars' moons, Phobos and Deimos, have been explored through various missions over the years, starting with their discovery by Asaph Hall in 1877 using a telescope at the U.S. Naval Observatory. Early spacecraft like Mariner 9, 1971, and the Soviet Phobos missions, 1988, provided the first close-up images and data, revealing their small, irregular shapes. Later, Mars Global Surveyor and Mars Express offered more detailed observations, particularly of Phobos craters and structure. The upcoming Martian Moons Exploration (MMX) mission, set to launch in 2026, will be the first to bring back samples from Phobos, Mars' largest moon. Led by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, this robotic probe will study Phobos' composition, structure, and origin, helping to determine whether it is a captured asteroid or a fragment of a larger body. By collecting and returning samples to Earth by 2029, MMX will provide groundbreaking insights into the moon's mysteries and its connection to Mars, deepening our understanding of the Martian system. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts on the mysterious planet Mars. What fascinates you the most? We'd love to hear from you.